Anytime when Caesar rice cook on my yard, I know my granny not no money.
Yo, it's such a good dish for something where nothing there.
Yo, anytime when Caesar rice make me know say John no hard times
Yeah,
ahead.
man, hard times right now. But it's like I'm conflicted, right? Because I don't say
everything in that pot of rice there.
Everything.
No meat, just
No
straight
meat.
Caesar rice.
Easily just, yeah man, season up. It's spicy. It have some green peas in there, some carrot and some corn, and you know, you might get, you know, some ackee and thing in there, but that's it. You know what I mean? If you want a piece of chicken with that, you're out of luck.
Yeah, you're not get no chicken with that.
You never.
Me never have Caesar rice with chicken. If Caesar rice have chicken tonight, that is now officially chicken fried rice. A chicken fried rice, that no.
You'd never get Caesar rice with anything, bro.
No.
It's always just a thing of rice.
Let me tell you, Caesar rice are for when the meat in the yard, virgin.
Yeah, man. Just put everything in the pot and make sure it well seasoned up and bubble up and, yeah, man. Good to go. You even not gonna miss the rice. You even not gonna miss the meat.